Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to compress files without losing quality on a PC in 2026. So if you want to reduce file size but keep photos, videos, and documents looking exactly the same, yeah, this guide will help you do it step by step. First, understand the difference between normal and lossless compression. Lossless means the file size reduces without changing quality. Next, right-click your file or folder and choose Send to Zip folder, so Windows can compress files safely without affecting quality. Now use tools like 7-Zip or WinRAR for better compression. I mean, these tools give more control and higher compression efficiency. So yeah, for images, use lossless formats like PNG optimization tools. These reduce size without making photos blurry. Next, use video compression tools with high-quality settings. Choose options like high bitrate or keep original quality mode. Finally, organize your compressed files into folders so you can easily find them later. So, keep originals and compressed versions separate. And that's how to compress files without losing quality on a PC in 2026. Once you use zip tools, lossless compression, and proper settings, you can save space without damaging your files. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more PC optimization tutorials. Hey everyone!